Yes. So I forgot to record, Manish. I'm sorry we lost your founder's address.
That's fine. That's fine, Madam President. That's fine.
Okay, so let me just talk about what all we're going to do this year. Shruti had left, okay, admitting her. Kamal is going to join in a bit. So there's a lot of stuff that we've planned for this year, and like I've spoken to pretty much every one of you, except a few people who have yet to connect with. We're going to continue to be online for a while, and there really isn't any other option. I don't know how long it's going to be, how many months, whether this whole year or what or not. But seeing as the situation is quite serious, we are going to continue to be online. And since we are online, we can definitely explore the online space and create some new opportunities for our club members. So in my interactions with the club members, I got a lot of feedback about what they would like to have from the club going ahead and what they need the club to do for them and what they can do for the club. So this year we're going to have a collaborative space here, which is going to focus a lot on giving the members opportunities to speak, giving the members opportunities to gain more visibility, develop more business contacts, as well as interact online amongst each other. So we are looking at a two-pronged approach. One is we're going to preserve the family-like environment here, but since a lot of we have a lot of trainers in this group who have had issues, with the company shutting down, corporate training not being available, a lot of churning in the industry. So we're looking at providing our members a platform where they can share their skills and get clients, get business, get work, and how we can support our members in doing that, support each other in doing that. With that end in mind, we're going to use our Facebook group a lot more this year. We're going to be online and live this year, so that it's not just this group of 18-20 we are going to reach, but we're going to try to reach more than 2,000 members. And this is the day and age of live, Facebook live, Instagram live, whatever it is, we are going to keep up with the times. And this is where we're going. So I'm just going to share my screen and let's look at Vision 2021, 22. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yes, we can.
All right, great. Thank you so
Okay.
much. So I want to introduce our committee members. We have Jane, who is our business expert. So Jane, would you like to unmute? And our vice president is Margaret, but she's unfortunately not available at this point due to some emergencies at home. But when she comes for the next meeting, I will ask her to introduce herself. I don't want to take that place, but Margaret is our vice president for this year. So of the committee members, the first member I'd like to introduce is Jane. And Jane, can you go ahead and introduce yourself, please? And what it is that you are doing in the club, just 2 lines.
Just 2 lines. Introduction. Okay, so I think let me skip my introduction. What we plan to do, thanks to Aditi, is how we can help our members grow their business to the next level. And, we'll have various activities related to business growth. And I am really here, happy to help anyone who needs any kind of support in this area.
Thank you so much, Jane. Thank you so much for being on the committee, and thank you so much for offering your expertise and your knowledge to share with the members.
My pleasure.
Person I wanted to introduce was Kamal, who is our social media manager, who is not yet here. So hopefully he will be here soon. Dhanashri is our ask and give expert. So this year we have an ask and give expert who is going to, have your list of asks and gives, because generally what happens is when we pass it around in the meeting, a lot of people say what they want and what are their asks and what are their gives, but we don't have like an official register of it to go back to on a regular basis. So Dhanashri is the one who is going to keep a list of all the asks and gives that are discussed in a meeting, and she's going to coordinate it in one place, and whoever has an ask and give, along with sharing it in the group, you please connect with her so that she can pair you with the right person. She can give you all that information of, you know, who has the ask and gives that you are looking for. The next person I want to introduce is Dr. Vijay. Is he here? Yes. Dr. Vijay is in charge of our memberships. So if you could just,
Hi everyone.
if you could just, Dr. Vijay, hi. If you could just tell us 2 lines about what you're going to do as a memberships expert this year for Venus Club.
I will definitely try to bring in more like-minded people to our club who are experts into different fields, and plus people who are on Facebook group as well. I would like to come from them also, the right type of people who are just sitting over there, and they, as we had a discussion with Aditi ji, that many people are just sitting dormant. They are not knowing anything about our club, and we have to really make our presence felt to them, what we do, what are the activities we are conducting, so that we can connect with more people who are just sitting idle, or they need our services, or we can help them in a certain way, or they can help our club and our members to grow to the next level. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Vijayji. Thank you for offering your services and your time. It is a very precious commodity. So thank you so much for being on the committee. And then we have Jigish, who is in charge of all the fun and games this year. Where are you, Jigish? There you are. Can we see you, please, while you introduce yourself?
Seconded. Jigish has unmuted himself, but I can't hear him. Can you guys hear him?
No.
No.
Jigish? Can you unmute yourself and then can you mute yourself and unmute yourself again? We're not able to hear you. Okay, so maybe you can exit and join again, Jigish. Maybe that might be a good idea. Yeah, I get that it's an audio problem. Yes. So maybe you can exit and then join back. Okay, so while we wait for Jigish to come back, I'll just introduce. So what we're going to do this year is, like last year, Deepa had these 2 meetings, which were quite fun, the Diwali meet and the New Year's meeting, where we had a lot of fun. This year, along with a lot of, these kind of regular meetings, we're trying to reintroduce the fun aspect that we used to have when we had live meetings. So quizzes and games and stuff like that for all the members to enjoy themselves. Jigish, you are here. Can you?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, we can.
Hi guys, how are you all?
On well. Yes.
Okay, so let me not take much of the time because we need to go for the panel discussion also. One thing that I would appreciate, and if you all can help me in that, I'm looking forward for team building activities also in this thing. I mean, when Aditi says fun and all those things, but actually the whole intention would be for the team building part, where we can actually be with each other for a long time, or I mean, you guys know better than me, yeah. So all of you are experts in that, and I'll appreciate if you all can help in this. Yeah, thanks. Great.
Absolutely, Jigish. It will be a team effort. And Kamal is here. Kamal, hi, can you hear us? Kamal?
I think he has to unmute himself.
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Yes, hi Kamal, can we see you also? And we'd like you to introduce yourself as our social media expert. Just can you just tell the club what you're going to do for this year as your role as a committee member, just in 2 lines?
Yeah, give me a minute. I'm just trying to set up everything.
Okay, all right. Okay, so we can come back to Kamal in a bit. So till Kamal sets up everything, I'm going to take a few minutes and continue to share the PPT and talk about what we're going to do this year. All right, so you can still see my screen, right?
Yes, we can.
Great. Okay, all right. So our vision for the year 2021-22 is one, like I said, we are going to be Venus Club online. We have a new online meeting format where instead of having 1 speaker per meeting, we're going to have 3 speakers. Each of the speakers will get a 15-minute slot and plus 5 minutes for question and answers. So that will be 3 speakers and 20 minutes each. So that will cover about 1 hour of the meeting. And of course, before the meeting, we will have our regular, gupshup and our formalities and everything. And that part, only that part of the meeting, which is instead of, one speaker, we're going to have 3 speakers. And those speakers will be our member speakers. And about guest speakers, I will talk in a bit. But the idea is to, we are now online. So our attention, everybody's attention span is much shorter. We are the, Facebook story and what is that? Reel now everybody is the reel generation, and it's the Instagram reels and the short stories, and even YouTube has come up with this. So let us also get with the times and have like different speakers, shorter duration, and have everybody engage in those. So we're going to offer 3 different kinds of talks every meeting, so that more members also get an opportunity to engage with our not just our members on Venus Club, but also on the Venus Club Facebook, and then we will be promoting it elsewhere as well. So how we are going to do that is it's going to be a Facebook live format. So only those 3 meetings, that 1 hour, we will be going live on Facebook. So each speaker will have their own slot of 20 minutes. And only that slot will be live. Then we will stop the live. We will start the live for the next person. So there will be 3 Facebook lives. So it will be exclusively your space. As a member of Venus Club, that is what we are offering you. That platform is what we want to give you, so that your expertise, your knowledge is shared with a larger number of people, from where the more people that hear you, the more people that see you, the more people that understand what you're offering, the better is your engagement and the better are your business prospects, right? So that is the topic of what we are doing today also. Jo dikta hai wahi bikta hai. Again, this is a line I've taken from Deepa. I had not heard of it before, but it's become something of a mantra nowadays for everyone. So we are going to dikhao you as much as possible, so that aapka jo bhi expertise hai wo big jaye. Venus Club members directory, this is what we're planning, which is the reason we are having this talk today by Jane, Manosh and Kamal. So what we're planning to do is have the members create a short video profile as well as a written format of their profile, for which of course we will be helping you with the template, etc. And we'll create this as an ebook for all our members. And we'll also post it on our Facebook groups. We'll post it on our Instagram. We'll have it on our website and as many places as possible, so that even when you are, even when you are inviting anyone to join the group, you have that ebook as a reference point to share with, a potential members, so that they also know the quality of people that are there in Venus Club and who they are joining and what do they expect in terms of interaction with the members here and the kind of work that we do here. So this is, I know this has been, we've tried to do this before, but let's see how best we can keep making efforts and keep ensuring that this thing happens. The next idea that we had was very graciously done by Manish. We are looking to have 2 awards starting from this year. One award in the name of Manish's father and the other in the name of Manish's mother. We are yet to finalize the categories and the categories for the awards, but the awards will be instituted. We will be asking the members to send in nominations of the work they have done, and accordingly we will then be having a little award ceremony on the last meeting of my term, where we will be giving out these awards, where Manish will be giving out these awards. The next,
My pleasure.
say again.
I said my pleasure.
Always Manish, Venus Club runs on your pleasure. So live meetings and outings, yes, we would like to hope that we can do it, during my term. As soon as things get better, we will be planning live meetings. We are planning Founders Day as well as some outstation meets. But we cannot say anything about that right now. However, as soon as things get better, we will be having those because they are long overdue. Special occasions like we had last year, we will be having some special occasion meetings where it will be just fun and games, and any members can volunteer for that. In fact, we would like your families to also participate, because at least then we'll get to know, because we call ourselves a Venus family, and let's actually get to know each other a little better with this. So let's plan, if any of you has any ideas about what more we can do or what new we can do this year, you're most welcome. Please feel free to connect with me at any point with any suggestions that you have, and we will be happy to take them up, discuss with the committee and see how much and what is possible, and we'll go ahead with it. Last year, because of the pandemic hitting and all of the sudden lockdown and all of the issues that went from there on, Manish and the team last year decided very graciously to not take membership fees for the last year. This year, we, however, have decided to take a small portion of the fees, membership fees, because we cannot run the club on empty. We will soon be empty because we do have some outgoings now that we will be, going online. We don't have the kind of outgoings that we did earlier, but even to do things for the members, we would need some amount in our coffers. And for the next year, whoever is the incoming president for the next year, I definitely don't want to hand a zero budget, offer to them. So we have decided to charge minimal membership fees, which is an amount of 999, ₹1 short of 1,000. And I think that will go a long way in, helping us do things for the members. The theme for this year is Life 360. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are life coaches or have access to life coaching and have done a lot of things with areas of life. So what we're going to do this year is have a 360-degree theme, because this year the COVID and the lockdown has impacted every single area of our life. And last year we focused on health, and we did get a lot of information on that. And this year, because the lockdown continues, COVID continues, the effects of that, the physical, mental, emotional, financial, so many effects of that are still ongoing. And so this year we have decided to take life as a whole in different areas of life to talk about. The other reason why we have chosen this is because, you know, our members are qualified and knowledgeable in many different areas. And since we are going to have more members speak this year, we'd like to give them, you know, opportunities to speak on topics that they are, that is their field of expertise. So there may be somebody whose field of expertise may be, you know, personal growth, maybe somebody with money, somebody whose field is health, somebody whose field is career, somebody whose field is fun and leisure. So as many aspects of life that we can cover with our members is what we're going to do this year. So some of the areas of life that we will be talking about is personal growth for self, fun and leisure. What can we do to to enthuse the fun aspect in our lives, because we're sitting at home and everything is online. I think that bit has also reduced. So like Manish was telling me, you know, one of the things that doctors are constantly saying is whatever time you are at home, even if you're stuck at home, enjoying, laughing, feeling good is also very, very important. And for the worldwide depression wave that is coming or has come, this is a very, very important aspect of life. So I think we need to have a few sessions on how to have fun, how to laugh, how to really enjoy, how to find pleasure in your everyday life. The next area is partner or significant other relationships. Whoever is an expert in relationship can take up these areas. Family and home environment, health and fitness, wealth and money, career, business, social life, and friends. So these are the eight areas of life. So what we would do is we'd request our members to pick your niche, one area that you are an expert in and would like to get business in. And then we'd like your members to pick the strongest one and the most exclusive one in our club, because a lot of us are qualified in very many different fields. So if we pick a niche, it makes a lot of sense, one area that you are an expert in, okay, so that we don't, we have more space for everybody to explore their talent. So we have too many members of one kind. And say again.
हाँ बोला बोला चंद्रशेखर जी बोला बोला होना
Can you please?
I think Shrikant ji has not
Aditi,
realized
you
that
need
he's
to
unmuted.
mute him. He's not realized.
Yeah. Wait, let me just.
He's the
Aditi,
last
you can
person.
mute him. Aditi, you can mute him.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find that. Okay.
He has muted himself.
Yeah. All right. So are you guys with me so far?
Yes.
Okay, great. So we'd like every member. So when you do your profile and when you do your, whether it's a video profile or your written profile, we'd like you to pick a niche. So even when you talk about the different, you have your different talks this year, that niche is what we will be promoting you in. Not all the things that you do, because that would become like too much for everybody to even understand, even your target group. So this is what we're proposing, that you pick a niche, your choice, whatever it is, you decide what is your best area and we talk about that. So pick one of these 8 areas as per your niche for you to talk about and share knowledge in for this year. Send me the area that you have chosen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to collate a list of all the speakers for this year, all the members, and what are their areas of expertise. And after we have done that, after the members get the first choice, after we have done that, then we can invite guest speakers for the areas in which our members don't have much representation. Okay. So if, like, for example, if we have like a lot of people in personal growth, but maybe an area of business or career is not well represented, then maybe we can invite guest speakers to talk about that area. So we're going to try to have like a balance of areas also that we're going to talk about, as well as speakers. So member speakers would get a priority, and then we will have guest speakers. So meetings will have 3 members speaking in 3 diverse areas. So it's not that a meeting, if we say that, you know, this meeting is going to have only 3 speakers from personal growth or from relationship. It's not going to be like that. Every meeting will have 3 speakers from 3 diverse but connected areas. So it won't also be like, you know, for somebody who's listening to you, it won't be like, acha, okay, you know, same thing, or, you know, this one said the same thing, or, oh, this one contradicted the other. So these, to eliminate these kind of issues, where we are picking 3 members to speak in 3 diverse areas. What we will do for our members this year as Venus Club is a platform for showcasing your knowledge and expertise and getting you the visibility and business that you need. So this is what we are going to do for our members, because we are like a family, and this is a time of need in which we can hold hands and stand together with our members. So what we are going to do is come up as a platform. Use our Facebook community and website to promote our members. The growth of our Facebook community, currently we are at 2,000 members. If all of us are able to add more and more members, you know, our family, our friends, to Venus Club, the Facebook community, it will increase in number, and we will have more people watching us, more people listening to us, more people understanding what exactly we are about. And like Vijay ji said, we are always looking for good quality members, and we may not even know who in our circle would be a good fit for Venus Club. We are looking at having members and guest talks in the meetings, which will be broadcast live on Facebook. I have already covered that. We are also looking at members doing Facebook lives and posts of members every month. So like I had, you know, written about it a few days ago, we are encouraging you to use this, you know, and some of you already are, which is really wonderful. Use this community of ours to, you know, talk about what you do and do Facebook lives. You don't need to do like half an hour, you know, 20-minute lives, just a few minutes of live. The idea is consistently being on the group will get you the visibility that you are looking for. Profile videos of the members on the Facebook and website is something I've already covered. And this exactly is what we are proposing as our club USP for new memberships as well. Because, you know, like in my discussions with a lot of you, a few points came up that, you know, there's already so much of free knowledge available. Why will people join us? So the thing is that we are not just, you know, providing you with knowledge, we're also providing you with a platform to showcase your knowledge. So even the guest speakers, their investment in us could be that they are becoming a member because we are providing them a platform, which is why we need to grow our community. We need to grow our groups. And finally, what we would like to have from our members to support this venture of ours, firstly, we need you to prepare your profiles as per the discussions. Today, we have this expert panel who is going to tell you about how to prepare your profiles. And please prepare them, your video profile, your written profile, submit it to us so that we can create the ebook. We can put your video profiles out there. Second, please participate in meetings, talks, panel discussions, because this year today we're going to have a panel discussion. I had not purposefully not spoken about it because it's going to be a surprise. So we're going to have more of these, like meetings, talks, panel discussions once a month, but the formats are going to be, you know, something new and innovative that we can all, more members can participate in per meeting. We'd like you to invite new members to join our club, invite new members to join our Facebook group, potential clients, target audience, not just for yourself, but for other members of the group. If you think somebody would be a good, you know, good target audience for another member of the group, please invite them so that they can, your people can benefit from the expertise of our group, our Venus Club members, and our Venus Club members can also benefit from having a better target audience listening to them. Suggest potential guest speakers who could join us, as well as, you know, not just as guest speakers, but they can join us as members. And finally, connect with the concerned committee members for whatever you need. We have a committee which is going to take care of different aspects, and we encourage you to reach out to the committee members. They're all extremely knowledgeable, and they're all very, very helpful people, and they're really good at what they do. So please connect with them. And for any suggestions, any grievances, any issues that you have regarding the club or whatever it is, whether it's, you know, professional, personal, anything that happens in the club that you are unhappy about, please feel free to connect directly with me. We will resolve whatever issues that you have to the best of our ability. And we'd like you to be happy with the way things are at the club and to be satisfied with what we are doing. So it's a process, that we are here to do. And I would really, really like you to please come up and directly tell me if you have any issues whatsoever. So thank you so much for listening to me. And do you have any questions at this point?
That was very well, very comprehensive and very well said.
Thank you so much. I'm going to post this in our group as well, the PPT, so that members who were not able to attend today due to whatever personal reasons will also have an access to not only the recording of what I was talking about, but also the PPT itself. So there's a clarity, and then anytime anybody can go through it and have any questions, they can of course get back to us. So thank you so much. And I am now handing over to Kamal, who is our moderator and participant in today's panel discussion. So we have a lot to talk about today. So Manoj, Jane, and Kamal are going to be in the panel discussion of how to build your fantastic profile. Now, give me just a minute while I set it up to go live on our Venus Club profile. So this is going to be our first official meeting live, and fingers crossed.
Aditi.
Yes, Deepa.
Yeah, sorry, but as I told you, I will have to leave because my class starts in some time.
No problem, Deepa. I am so glad you were here and this
No.
can catch online.
Of course, I'll be there and I will catch it online, and all the very best. I'm sure you'll do very well, and we have such great speakers.
Absolutely.
So yes, all the best and fantastic idea. Love the vision for 21-22. I will see you at the next meeting, and yes, I will watch the live. Bye guys, everybody. See you.
Bye Deepa. Take care. Bye-bye.
See you, Deepa. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right, here goes live on Facebook. Okay. I would request somebody to go to the Venus Club profile and check if we are actually live, if we are there.
You can put the link in the WhatsApp group.
We are live, Aditi, but we are not live in the Venus Club group. We are live only on the page. If you can, yeah. So you are live only on the profile. Rather than the profile, what you can do is you can stop the Facebook live now.
I'm going to share this to our group.
No, you can stop this now, and it will ask you whether you want to save it. You can just say no.
I'm going to
delete this. You can delete this post. Once you click on end live, then you can just remove this post.
All right, we are there. We are live.
Yeah, we are live. So I'm just telling you because we are not live on the group.
No, we are live on the group now as well.
I have just clicked on like on that. So we are live.
We are live on the group as well. I've shared it to the group.
Yeah, we are live. We are live.
We are. Yeah, we are. Okay, guys, we are live on. Yes, please do. We are live on our Facebook group and we are live on our Facebook profile. This is our first meeting. Just a minute.
Once you click on end live, then you can just
Live on our Facebook profile. This is our
Yes, we are live and I commented also.
Yeah, we are in the group live.
yeah. So that was
Let's go ahead.
That was a rehearsal, okay? And now we will go for the actual live. Yes, we are live.
Take the link in the WhatsApp group.
Jane, you are on mute.
Right, everyone, we are live on Facebook for our first inaugural meeting, and today we have an amazing panel discussion. I am Captain Aditi Samant. I'm the president of Venus Club for the year 2021-22. Along with our founder Manish Dayal and our excellent team this year, we are bringing you something new, something amazing, and something to connect with every one of you there on the group. So we have a panel discussion today on how to create your fantastic profile, and our esteemed panelists are Jane Shah, Menosh and Kamal Jeswani. So over to Kamal. Kamal.
Am I visible?
No.
We can't see you, Kamal.
We can't see you, Kamal.
Okay.
There you are.
Sorry, I had to press that button of the gadget, you know, to become visible again. Okay, warm welcome to everyone.
Thank you.
And thanks so much, Aditi. So today we are going to discuss how to create a great profile. Okay, we already have a very good profile. It's just that we need to be able to put it into the right words, because as we all know, the attention span has reduced. And it's very important for all of us to make a short profile which conveys all the important points which we want to convey to the world, okay, without taking much of their time. So that is the reason we are having this panel discussion. I'll start with Jane. Jane, what do you think are the main key elements of a good profile?
So Kamal, when we talk about profile, you know, traditionally we have been saying your profile should add credibility, you should have stories, you should have testimonials in your profile. This is all fine. This is all that we know. But however, I want to say one thing here. When you are building your profile, make sure you are authentic about building your profile. So how do you balance between you being authentic as well as you being professionalism? You know, there is a fine balance. Most of the time people miss on this aspect. boosting yourself, good enough. We are here to sell ourselves, but how close you are to being authentic, that's something very important that we should keep in mind when we are building a professional profile. Also, always make sure your photographs are professional. So that says a lot about how others will take you seriously. If you're not serious about putting your professional photograph, it also means that you are not serious about making your professional profile impactful. So these are the two things that one must take care when build their professional profile.
Perfect. And according to you, what is the role of a digital profile?
So today, if anyone wants to hire a person, the first thing that they will do is go online and check their profile. Even if somebody is highly experienced, they have degrees and they have lot of stories built up to say about their professional life. But if it is not put up on digital platform, there are good chances somebody else with similar or probably lesser profile, but having good digital presence will be picked up for the job. So having digital presence is as important as having your profile, which is traditionally written in document format.
Thank you so much. Now I'll go to Mahanush. Mahanush, you have done so many things and you are even training on so many different aspects. What helps you make a choice while presenting your profile to any corporate?
Okay, that's a very interesting question. Thanks, Kamal. The thing is that, like, I'm sure there are many, most of us over here are kind of, as I call, as learning machine. Addicted to learning. And like me, when we are not teaching, we are learning. We are upgrading ourselves at all times. Now, the thing is that when it comes to presenting to people, what aspect of who you are should come out in your profile? Although people say that, you should have your niche and all, and that should be very clear. Of course, that is needed. And you talk about that niche, but then in highlighting only your niche, could it be possible that your other strong points or something that could probably match someone may not get highlighted? So yes, do highlight your niche. At the same time, also highlight who you are as a complete person. So talking about what could be presented now, if I get an inquiry from corporates for a leadership program, I will present the profile as a leadership trainer or coach. If I get an inquiry for a finance for non-finance program, I will highlight my financial background more. If there is something about the communication or NLP related, then I will put my NLP credentials first and then the rest. So the key thing about if you have the chance to present the profile to a specific target audience, then what needs to be kept in mind is WIIFM. What's in it for me? Not for me, for the person who the profile is being presented to. So that I keep that in mind, that what are they looking for? And accordingly we present that. So that's, I would say, the important.
That's great. Thank you so much, Mahanush. Now, we all need to really update our profile and so that we are able to say in short. But the biggest challenge which I've seen most of us facing is that we have really a lot to say. Okay. And people have really very less time to read. Okay.
Yeah.
In such a scenario, would you recommend making a video profile rather than a text profile?
Yeah, have both. Again, I say this, have both from an NLP perspective, that there are people who get attracted to a visual profile and there are people who want to read words. They want to know, okay, visual ko baju mein rakho, let's go to the content. And there are some people, the content ko baju mein rakho, let me go to the picture. I want one snapshot. So even in my hard document profile, although my credentials and all will run into pages, there is one snapshot in one mind map of all my achievements, credentials, experience, all that is presented in one mind map. So mind map becomes that visual aspect, and at the same time, there is the rest also. So talking about profile, make sure that there is something which catches attention. Because right now in the digital space, if we talk about it, there is so much of information overload that the attention span is reducing. So make something which is eye-catching, grabbing your attention instantly. Even if you're making a video, I think there were times when we used to make a long form content, half an hour or at least 15 minutes. Today, 2020 ka zamana hai. And video mein 2020 is the reels. 20 seconds, 30 seconds. You watch a person looking at a reel and you see that they are not even waiting for it to get complete. हाँ, okay, समझ गया, next. वो scroll करने की आदत इतनी फटाफट हो गई कि you need to catch the attention. And I sometimes look at the ads also which come within the YouTube videos, not from the point of view of whether I'm going to buy that product or not, but from the point of view of wearing the learner's hat that, okay, is this attention grabbing ad or not? The thing that even if you're making a video profile, look at all those ads on a YouTube video where you are not waiting for the skip button to come up. Mostly when an ad comes, what we do is skip button. Kabhi are 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jaldi kar yaar, I want to press the skip button. But then there are some ads where you don't want the skip button. You're not even waiting for the skip button. Haan, bol kya bolte? I want to listen. If you are able to catch the attention of the audience in the first 3 seconds, you have done a good job. So even if you're making videos, make them attention grabbing.
Right.
So what are you catching in first? Are you giving some punchline that the person gets hooked on? Or are you saying, hi, I'm Mirnosh Randeria, India's first, whoever, whatever. People say, hoga yaar koi, itna sab aate ye ek aur hai. Do not start with that. Start with what is it that, what is your pain point and how I can help you with that. So I think that is about the video profile.
Thank you so much. Jane, a question for you is, what is more important? Who am I, or what do I do, or something else?
So the fundamental reason we are making profile is we want to sell ourselves, and we should never forget that. So what is there for you to offer to general public, to the buyers? That is very important. You say that you have so many degrees, you have so many experience and blah, 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 lot of things. But what is most important is what is it that you are offering to the buyer? We are here to sell, and that's why we are making profile. Otherwise, there is no need to make profile. Otherwise, its entire digital media is of no use if you don't want to sell something. Yes, we are networking. That's at a different level. Here I'm talking about being professional profile. So very boldly highlight what is it that you are offering. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever offerings that you have need to be properly highlighted. Even from digital point of view, in SEO, it will be picked up. So suppose your service is creating online profile, and that is what you want to teach, that is your expertise areas. So make sure in your profile, this word comes at least 4 to 5 times, because digital profiles are available in SEO. And if these words are missed, it means you are missing very important part of your profile, and people will not be able to pick you up. They'll pick up somebody else who may be not as good as you are, but their profile is made in such a way that they rank high in Google. So very important to clearly, distinctly mention what are your products, services, and offerings.
Right. Thank you so much. Typically, we all have come across profiles which we do not like. Okay. So, what do you think are the key points which we do not like in those profiles? Because if we tell so that we all of us do not make those mistakes.
This is wonderful point, Kamal. In fact, I was discussing with somebody yesterday. By default, we want ourselves to go to the next level. And whatever we do, we will not like it to the extent that we want to like it. Because moment I create my profile, I have other hundreds of profiles to be compared with. And in my profile, those things will be missing. Now I want to recreate my profile. Out of those 100 profiles, one of the things that I want to add into my profile. So this is ongoing journey, and somewhere we have to say, okay, this is what I am. And, maybe I will upgrade my profile after 6 months or 1 year, but your mind should be put to rest that this is what I have done. And now I'm out for work, not to build my profile or not to build my professional looks on digital media. So somewhere we need to have a, stop to this thing.
I would like to add over here.
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah. And exactly highlighting Jean's point. Do not stress yourself about building the perfect profile. Build the current version of your profile. And understand one thing, that version 1 is better than version none. And when you are out there getting business, focus on that. Then, of course, upgrade, create a new profile. Version 2 will come, version 3 will come. So very well put, Jane. Thank you.
Great. So a question to both of you would be, if you have to make a video, 1-minute video profile, what are the key points that you would include in that 1-minute video profile?
This is a difficult question because I don't know who is my target audience. So if I'm going blank without knowing who is my target audience, I would rather sum up what I have done in my life in last 10 years as my effort to build up my story. So my achievement in last year to be summed up. I would skip all other part because nobody's interested in what's my education, where do I live. I mean, in 1 minute, nobody's interested in that. If anyone is wanting to know more about me, they can always go to my FB or LinkedIn or Insta and find out, more from my personal side. But otherwise, if it is my professional profile, very precise about what is it that I have achieved in last 10 years, 5 years, it's up to you. I mean, whatever is your work number of years. Somebody might have started in just 1 year, then they can highlight what they have achieved in last 1 year, last 6 months. This sums up a lot about you. So use your words carefully about writing your achievement in past.
Okay. Mahanush, what's your view on this?
Yeah, I would just add one more element to this, one more angle to this. So while you need to highlight your achievements, also keep integrating that with how you can help people. So I may say that recently I completed a course on financial planning, which was UPSP. But that being there, how will it help you? Or I've built a business, I've helped somebody to build a business. Now having that, what was my learning that I can take forward and how it can help you? So what are my success stories or my achievements blending in with how I can help my audience to create success? So how my past achievement can lead to your future growth and achievement. If I can build that seamless link, then I think that would be a good way of packing in a 1 minute of powerful profile.
This is a good point. Yeah.
Right. In fact, we have seen a lot of ads, even when you said about YouTube. So the person who comes up on the ad, he does not start with who he is or what he does.
Yeah.
He just starts with, are you looking for this? Do you have this problem? Do you need support with this? Okay, and after that he says, I am there to help you, and then he says why I am qualified to help you. Then he talks about his profile.
Right.
So because the attention grabbing part happens at the beginning.
Yes.
And once that happens, after that, if you talk about why you are eligible, that person would listen to it. But if at the beginning we start with who we are, then maybe that person may or may not listen to it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
And,
Kamal,
yeah,
I just
sure.
want to, say one thing here. There's a difference between profile and promotional video.
Right.
So promotional video are designed with a different mindset, whereas profiles are designed with a different mindset.
Right.
And keep it separate.
Yes. I wanted this point to come up over here because this is where we get confused. Okay, and in fact, this is we get so much confused that because ultimately when we are when we share our text profile with the companies, if we want to do any kind of training, they always want your video. They want to see how you deliver, and that is where the profile which Jane is talking about, where she is highlighting her achievements. That is where this profile would be very useful. Because the company would, while basically watching the profile, they would get an idea of how the person is delivering at the same time in the last few years. So that would be really helpful. But when you are talking for doing an open workshop, that's not exactly your profile, that's your advertisement. So in that, what you would be talking about would be the pain area of the people, because there you do not have their attention. You want to grab their attention. Whereas in a corporate, when somebody is asking for your profile, they already have the attention. They are going to watch it. So we have to understand the difference between the two. So we should be having two videos ideally. One is for the people who want to know about me, and another is for the people whom I want to understand about me. So one is I'm trying to catch the audience, I'm trying to catch my target market, and another is I am basically establishing myself in front of the people who want my profile. So shouldn't we have these kind of two videos?
Yes.
What do you think?
So it is like we have push as well as pull strategy. Your profile is your pull strategy because of your credentials, you're pulling clients towards you, and push strategies for your marketing videos. Actually you are pushing your ideas into other people's brain such that you generate the result that you're looking for. Manish, you can add something to this?
Yeah, I would like to add here that when will a corporate ask for a profile? If a corporate is seriously asking for a profile, I can even make a 10-minute video for it. Right? And then I can have all my achievements and all my my past clients and success stories and testimonials, whatever. That can be anywhere from 3 minutes to 10 minutes. The purpose of a 1-minute profile is that somebody comes and asks me for a 3-minute or 10-minute profile. Now give me more information. And that is where I want to hook on the person to ask me for more.
Yeah.
Why will a person even bother to ask me for more if I'm only talking about my achievements? And that's when we talk about the achievements, but that's where it's important to blend in how I can help you. Although it's not just a promotion, I'm not selling a particular workshop or a particular program, but talking about my achievements, connecting it to some other person's success stories.
Right.
So, yeah, I mean, so that I would say instead of 2, then there are 3 different types of things. One is the first hook that makes someone ask me for my achievement wala profile.
Right.
But why would that person ask me if he does not even bothered to look at a 1-minute video?
Great. Now, how to talk about the pain points of the potential customer in our profile?
Panush, as an NLP expert, you can take it up. You should take it up.
Yeah. So I would say, like, are you one of those people who are finding difficulty in kickstarting your business? And start with that. Maybe then put some kind of visual. So you are having some kind of hook. That pain point could be a hook. And then talk about who you are. Then don't talk about the pain point anymore. Once the person is hooked, oh, you are this, oh, you are this, oh, you are this, then you're talking about who you are. And then close by saying that how I can address that pain point that I started with. So there is a looping happening over here where I open up something, get the person interested, make the person wait till I complete what I have to say about me, and then close it about what I am can help you to achieve what you want.
Right. Got it.
That
could be one of the ways.
Right.
So I don't have much of an expertise to enter into somebody's brain or, so I have simplified this process for me. If I have XYZ qualities and skills, and if this is what I can offer you, suppose I'm a business coach and I know very well how to, mentor my clients for business, I would create a survey form asking what are their problems and, see if that's where I can offer. So rather than based on my assumption, I would rather go by some fact and data to process the entire approach.
Yes, I agree with that. So whatever you put in that hook will have to come from a well-researched thing. You cannot assume that people are having that problem. You have to, and that problem, if you are still finding out that what could be my target market's problem, what could be my pain area of my target market. One is do a survey, as Jane said, open survey. Other is reach out to your past clients. Reach out to your past clients and ask them, what have I helped you in? What was your before state? What is your after state? Because that becomes actually a success story. So you can use both. You can use open survey or you can go to very fixed people who you have already helped. Because now that pain point is not hypothetical. It's something that is real. So of course, make sure, as Jane, very valid point, that make sure the point that you use as a hook is something valid. That is real, not just an assumption.
Right. So here now, if all of us are going to start making our new profile, okay, then if you can tell us that should we talk about because now we are going to make maybe 2-3 different kinds of profiles as we discussed. Okay, the most important for us would be to begin with is to catch the attention of the audience. Okay, and even Facebook would allow, I think, only 1-minute profile. And so if you really want to put a profile on different platforms, okay, in that, if you can just tell me the key points, which should be there in that profile. We'll start with Jane and then we'll go to Mahanush.
Okay, so it's a profile that we are creating, and let's assume we have 1 minute to create a profile. So divide this is one of the formula. However, there are no rules and regulations about how you can create a profile. But if we want to standardize and simplify the process, what we can do is in first 10 seconds, grab attention. Because if you don't grab attention in first 10 seconds, they are not ready. They are not willing to listen to you for next 50 seconds. And next 20 to 30 seconds, you can brief about your product and services, your offerings, your expertise. And in next 30 seconds, next 20 seconds, how they will be benefiting because of your expertise. And last 10 seconds, call for action. Don't miss call for action. Mention about how they can contact you. Otherwise, all your 50 seconds are for nothing. Yeah. Right. So we can simplify this as a process.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Mahanush.
Yeah, I think I agree with Jane on this. Completely aligned. Make sure you start with your attention hook, end with the call to action. And in that, also, if possible, let this not be a barrier for you, but if possible, use some visuals. That doesn't mean that if I don't have a technical expertise to edit videos, then I can't make my profile. Let this not become a barrier. Version 1 is better than version none. Keep this in mind.
Right.
Pay it. Go ahead. Even if you make a just talking video, it's perfectly fine. If you can jazz it up to suit various kinds of people in the audience, then you can use some visuals or some other things.
Right. Thank you so much. So in fact, if you have to, if I ask you that, tell me, give me one line about you, and then my next question will be, give me 2 lines about you. Okay. So you have to start with one line about you. We'll start with Meher.
Okay. So I am India's first and only W3 coach, helping people to achieve success in wealth, wisdom, and wellness through the power of neuro-linguistic programming.
Okay.
You got your 2 lines. That's nice.
Great. Jane.
Hello, I'm Jane. I'm growth hacker. I help clients in achieving next level of success in their business. My attempt is to grow their business from X to 10X level. That's what
Great. But I think that was a better thing, rather than putting all lines into making one line of that thing. You try to put basically punctuation marks in that. So that was good part. Right. And I think that can also be so. So here we are discussing the different ways, and that is the reason instead of having one person speak about making a profile, all 3 of us are sharing our viewpoint. Why? Because it's not that in the world only apple would sell. Even oranges sell, grapes sell. Okay, you can, anything would sell. It depends on the target market, and every person is talking from their perspective or their target market. So okay, so what Jane is doing may or may not work for Meher. What Meher is doing may or may not work. The reason we are having this so that we can give you diverse ideas, and these are just ideas. You can pick it up and you can put it in your way. And yes, what's very important is you need to try your method. Okay, and you will never come to know which one is the best profile unless and until people watch it and you get feedback on it. Because if you just think about it, let me make my best one, you do not know whether it would be the best one. Because I have tried many times. So in fact, earlier my profile used to be, when I was in corporate, it used to be a different one. Then I got into financial coaching, and I used to start with I am India's first internationally certified financial success coach with a CFP and MBA in finance. Now I have made this line as my second line. My first line is, in the first line, I have put the keywords. One is, who is my target audience? I put that into my first line. Another is, what is the area where I help them? Okay. And third is, what is the methodology? Okay. What is the way by which I can help them? And the fourth point is, what is it that has stopped them from working in this area? So my first line is, I help working professionals, my target market. I help working professionals create secured wealth. So basically, what do I help them with? Create secured wealth. Okay, using my PMG 5.0 model. Now that PMG 5.0 model is my signature model. So that is something which they would never find anywhere. So using my PMG 5.0 model without sacrificing a good lifestyle, because they want to build secure wealth, but they don't want to sacrifice a good lifestyle. So I put all these 4 together and I have brought it. But now this is not the version 1. We have to understand that. And this is not even the last version. Okay, so initially the version was different. I kept understanding. And again, here, this one also I'm trying. I'll see how much response I get. And based on that, again, I would change it. In fact, today itself, I made one change. Earlier, it was PMG model. Now it is PMG 5.0, which is the latest version of my PMG model. So we have to constantly revise but it's very, very important to talk about the pain area of people if you want to grab the attention. And if you already have the attention, then it is very important to talk about why you are the best for that kind of work. So, and again, like Jane and Manoj rightly explained to us that we can have multiple profiles and we can have multiple versions of it. So that eventually, you know, and apart from that, one more thing is one version would sell in one target market, another version would sell in another target market. And nothing would stop us from having, you know, different profiles at different times. Because, you know, my target market today might be corporate. I am just focusing on corporate. So my profile would be different. Maybe after a few months, I want to now focus on a different target market that I've already captured a lot of corporate market. I'm already getting a lot of, you know, word of mouth work from there. I'm getting a lot of referrals from there. Now let me get one more market with me. And that would be, let's say, open workshop. Then my profile would change. So it's not that we have, this is our final profile, so let's not take too much time. Let's make a profile and we all have, you know, we can share it with our group. Our Venus group is a group of all the expert elite people. So, you know, if you show your profile to all of us, okay, if I show my profile to all of you, you can definitely help me make it better. So let's start. I think that this is the key message from this panel discussion, that please start. Okay, you can have multiple ones. And before we end, I would ask the last question. One is video profile. If we are making, do we need a professional videographer, or we can have the version 1 with our own mobile with a selfie camera? Manoj, what's your point on this?
I would say get started. Yeah, if you have a professional one, fine. That can be a next version. And if you have it for version 1 also, no problem. Have it if you can do it. But let's see, there is one thing, like we say, there is something which is a enhancer and one thing which is basic. Even a selfie short video profile is good enough. Let that not be a barrier for you to get started. Some people like, no, I will have the perfect setup and the perfect ring light and the standee and everything and studio setup and the professional photographer, then only I will start. Let that not be a obstacle.
Right.
It is a good thing to have, but not a must thing to get started.
Thank you so much. Right. Jane, what's your view on this?
If you can, why not? But if you can't, don't wait for it.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
If it is not too much of a trouble and you know, you can spare that kind of a money to create a profile, please go and shoot your professional profile. But if that's not happening today, camera, video, I mean, our mobile camera and videos are really good. Take someone's help to shoot your profile. Make sure lighting where you're shooting is good. You're able to capture your voice well, and start with that. But yes, I think if you can, you should have your professional video profile done, because you know, that certainly makes a difference. Also, one thing, if you're 100% sure what you want to cover in your professional video profile, go for it. But if you are at a stage where you're still evolving, and after 6 months you don't know, you know, whether this is what you are doing, what is relevant to you, you start with to create his profile. I think he is you know, very clear about what he's doing today, what he was doing yesterday, and what he's going to do tomorrow. So it's a good idea to get a professional profile done. It adds value to your brand.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you so
And we
much.
also have a professional photographer among us.
Yes.
Right. We
Yeah.
have Jitu Raj with us. Right. And another important thing is, if in case you are making a profile on your mobile phone, ensure that you know what points were discussed. One was Jane said about the lighting. Okay, it's better to make it in a daylight. Even if you don't have a good lighting at home, you can make it in the daylight. It's amazing. Ensure that there are no shadows on your face. Okay, and if you can apply some kind of compact or something, so that there is no shining, because when you sweat, okay, there could be a shine. So if you apply some compact, some basic makeup, then also it is good. Having a good loud voice, that is very important, because if the voice is not loud enough in the video, it's a turn off. People don't even watch it. So voice has to be very loud in the video. It has to be loud and clear. And another important thing, if you can afford to get a stand, a tripod, okay, because if the mobile is stationary, it will give you a clear image rather than a blurred one. So a clear image with a clear voice with proper lighting, I think that would really be excellent for your basic profile also. So at least we can start with that. And now the next question is,
and one more point, Kamal.
Yes,
and
sir.
a good background like the way you have behind you.
Yeah, we need to have a good background.
Yeah. And a real background is better than a virtual background. So like I noticed in all your lives, in all your videos, Kamal, you have this standard setup, and it's nice. It's a nice, pleasant background to have.
Right.
Just to add one thing here, I think even Zoom can be used to create profile.
Yes.
Because it creates video, and if you don't want to use background, that is okay. If you don't have good background possibility, then you can use the background that Zoom offers, and it automatically gives you better video quality with touch up, so you're not worried about the looks part. So it's a good beginning.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Now the last question would be, on which all platforms should you have your profile?
All right. So I'll just say one thing. If it is a professional profile, it has to be on a LinkedIn. Everything else is optional. It's up to you. Like I am very comfortable with Facebook. So that's by choice, but LinkedIn is by professional requirement. And second, please have your blog. Have your either blog or website, whatever works for you. And there also you can put your profile. Manoj.
Yeah, I would say the right platform is the one where your target market is. Now, if you are catering to youth, if whatever your profile, your niche, your target market is the youth, then Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, even the other. It would make sense to put it wherever you can. So LinkedIn, if you are having a corporate audience, a professional audience, then LinkedIn is important. So I like to use acronym LIFT your profile. And LIFT stands for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So wherever possible, you put it and lift your social presence, digital presence. And yes, having your website or blog is very important. It is as good as your visiting card. Because today's day and age, visiting card nobody is looking at. They just want to know, okay, where can I go up and look up about you? So your website is your digital visiting card. So either a website or a blog where someone can look at what your views are, who you are, and a lot more about you. So make that, have that is a must in today's time. And have your profile, your video profile over there as well. By the way, my website still doesn't have a video profile. I'm yet to do that. But that is one place where your video profile has to be.
Right. Thank you so much. In fact, we would, I think we should have one session on what are the key elements of your website. So maybe we can have that later on. And another thing is, like, I will share one experience over here. I have created my profile on all these platforms. The reason being, if my target audience, okay, because nowadays target audience are not only, the actual target audience, family also, they do the research. So like if I'm targeting a professional, his son would go to his Instagram and try to find out about me. My target market is on LinkedIn, but his son is on Instagram, and there he says, yes, Papa, you have made the right choice. Kamal Jeswani is there. So, this is where it can, you never know from where you might be able to get that confirmation to that target audience. So here, the experience which I would like to share was one gentleman called, messaged me on LinkedIn. Okay, he's not connected to me. He messaged me that I would like to discuss with you, and how can I contact you, and what are your charges? And I was surprised, like, and so then we discussed further. I said, okay, fine. I gave him my number. Okay, and then I asked him, how did you come to know about me? And he said, I went to Google, I searched financial life coach India. Okay, and that gentleman is working with the actual department, which is the highest paying job in India. Okay, and that he's working in Dubai for that kind of a profile. And he searched for financial life coach India. So you never know from where you could get your person. And yes, when he searched on Google, he did not get my website. He got the LinkedIn profile. So it is, and apart from, you have to understand this, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, these are highly SEO optimized or SEO friendly.
Yes.
Okay, so even your website may come on the 10th page. Doesn't matter, as long as your LinkedIn profile or Facebook profile or Insta profile comes on the first page. And now, when people ask me to introduce myself in one line, I know that people are too busy to listen to me, because everyone is waiting for their turn. So I just tell them, Google Kamal Jeswani. And I know my work would be done, because on the first page, my profile is listed, LinkedIn, Facebook, everything is there on the first page. So that really helps me out. So we should have a profile, and yes, we can decide about which one, on which platform we want to engage more. That could be a choice based on your target market, but at least profile should be on all four. And I really like the acronym Mehnosh, lift your profile. So any questions from the participants over here? If you want to ask anything, we can ask Mehnosh, Jane.
Absolutely, we have a lot of questions.
Yeah, I'm waiting
Should,
for this.
Manish should.
So if somebody else wants to ask a question, they will go first. Otherwise, I'll go. Okay. So before now that others are thinking, so as you guys know, I'm a guy who's like a rainbow entrepreneur, and I run 7 different businesses. But going a little step further, why are we looking at a profile? Basically to get business, right? So that is where I face a challenge most of the times in Australia and India, both, in all my 7 businesses, because my aim is to get business. Now, whether the guy, my profile is perfect, not perfect, what? So now now when you, sort of brainstorm this profile with the real world we live in. So in India, I most of the time when I go to somebody who's a decision maker regarding business, whether it's coal or I run an academy where I deal with corporates for trainings, this, that, I most of the time find the decision maker already has made his mind against me. He has some vested interest, and he's already sitting in the chair saying that I'm not going to go give this business to Mr. Tayal, whatever, even if his profile is the best. So my question here to panelists is, how do we deal with such situation in India? Especially in India, I encounter these situations.
Manosh?
So I would just say that it's a very cliche statement, but no just means NO, next opportunity. And
what is that, Manosh? I missed it.
No is next opportunity. It's like, okay, he's not the only one that we are trying to push. There will be more.
Yeah.
So that is just to say that, but if you want to still convince, and see, the point is how you make your profile such that you get an attention.
Yeah.
But where a decision maker has already made a decision, then if on that particular point, then you being a rainbow entrepreneur, you may have other businesses, other activities that may suit what he wants. Or there are other people, other people in the target market who will probably be there for you.
Okay.
The ocean is vast. So
I want to add one thing here. There's a difference between making profile for a business and making profile for ourselves. So, you know,
Okay,
here,
yeah.
if you want to sell a business, you should have a profile for your business.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
all
yeah.
your marketing and all your profile making efforts should be for different businesses.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
You are just different personality than your business. So
Yeah, actually, you're right. So that's a different ball game, perhaps, making a
yes.
profile for the business.
Yeah. I mean, somebody
So I
will
can,
find it difficult to say no to say XYZ business that you have.
yeah,
If your profile for that business is strong.
yeah,
And if somebody is saying no, probably senior person is still wanting you to be on the board because of a profile. You know, I understand there might be
yeah, yeah,
wisdom.
yeah. So,
Yeah.
Jane, unfortunately, most of the times I find the real world not merit-based. A lot of time I find a lot of vested interests involved in these decisions, and I face them in and out. So I can share one small strategy which I do normally, because I feel, you know, if I have approached somebody, so I've invested a lot of my time, okay? And, you know, if this person says no to me for whatever vested interest he or she has, then my time gets wasted. So one strategy which I employ is that I do a reverse charge thing. So I do a Reiki on the decision maker. And when I know when that decision maker is giving me a no, so I basically turn it into a sort of a small battlefield. Because my theory is that anyway I'm losing business. So what's the harm in fighting? That's my view. So I convert it into a battlefield, and a lot of times I've won that way. So that's it.
Interesting if you won that way. I would have preferred not to burn the bridges, because then, okay, this opportunity is no, maybe something else, somewhere else it can be matched.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
you know, this also.
So now this
yes,
is,
go ahead, please.
yeah,
No,
so this
I
is
think,
India.
you know, we
Now,
can,
Australia, I have a different
because
mindset.
this goes into a different tangent altogether. We are talking
Yes.
about
Just I would add with one thing: creating your digital profile is also kind of your PR activity.
Yeah.
You know, it's so just a element of marketing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think we can have a different discussion on how to close a deal.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Still talking about the profile here, I want to add one thing, and very pertinent point which Manish has brought up, not about the mindset, but about having multiple businesses. Every business that you have needs to have its own profile.
Absolutely.
Right? How many times you have done business with someone just in the flow because you like the business values and the vision of that company, and at times you don't even know who is behind that.
Yeah.
So keep your personal profile separate, and keep as many businesses as you have, keep those separate profiles. So
Absolutely,
I also have a
seconded.
separate profile as a financial planner. I have a separate profile as a coach, as a teacher. I have a separate profile as a professor. So those are multiple verticals. And you, Manish, you are a rainbow entrepreneur. You have different lines of business. And Manish, you spoke about doing a Reiki on your prospect. I want to invite you to do a Reiki about your own self.
Okay, good idea.
And this is important for everyone here. Open a incognito window on your browser, type your own name, and see what comes up.
Perfect.
And if it was someone whom you met for the first time in a networking meeting or in a Zoom meet, and you said, I am Beno Shandaria, and that person says, okay, fine, thank you, nice meeting you. If you were that person, and if you were to go back and do a Google search on you, would you be interested in conducting any further business with this person? That is your own self-check. So I would invite all of you, open a incognito browser and type your own name and see what comes up. Are the right links, are the right profiles coming up? Then you are at least on the right path. If not, if somebody else's profile is coming up, because some names are common. Now I have an advantage of having a unique, uncommon name. तो डालता हूँ तो मेरा ही आ जाता है. But sometimes some other names may come up. So what is it that you want to have come up? That is one thing where you put in your own name on your Google search. Second is put the keyword. So if you are a business coach and you put business coach, what comes up? If you are a yoga trainer and you put yoga trainer on Google, what comes up? Is your name even there on the first page? Yeah, so Pari is saying she has tried it with Zest HR, Raw Essence. So put that name and see, and also put what your keyword that the customer or a prospect who does not know you is looking for on Google. Will you show up? And if you are not showing up, then it is an indicator that yeah, you need to work more on your branding, on your
do a reality
profile.
check.
Yeah, that is your reality check. Do a recce on yourself.
Perfect.
Great.
So that, sorry. Yeah.
I think everyone is busy looking up their names right now.
Yeah, even I searched it.
Yeah.
So, and I was able to find it. Great. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating in this. And I think we had a lot of insights through this panel discussion. And now, thank you once again, Jane, and thank you, Mahenoj, and thanks, Aditi. Over to you.
Thank you, Kamal,
Thank you
for hosting us. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you, Jane. Thank you, Aditi. Thanks, Venus Club.
Yeah.
So I'm also going to say thank you, Kamal, for moderating this and taking it to so many different places. Thank you, Jane. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you, Manish, for all the ideas that came up. They are so valuable that it's actual gold, that our own members have so much to share and so much amazing stuff is there. So I am so happy and so blessed to be a part of this group. Guys, thank you so much. I'm ending the Facebook Live now. The meeting is not yet over.
Thank you, Aditi.
Yay, this was so good.
Aditi, congratulations for the first Facebook Live.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Aditi, and congrats, Venus Club.
Thank you.
Actually, I felt, there were two celebrated experts here. I actually get that. I couldn't believe these are our own Mahenoj and Jane.
See, that's the thing, no? We don't know.
आज मैं थोड़ा कुछ ज़्यादा खा लूँगी.
Aditi,
I will eat something extra today.
I want to add one thing. When you are doing this check on your own mobile or in your own laptop, the result will be different. When you're doing the same thing on someone else's mobile and a laptop or someone else's profile,
that's the reason he said incognito window.
नहीं आता.
Yeah, so open an incognito window.
No, Manush, it doesn't come up even in incognito. You need to have a different. I need to check in your mobile. You need to check in mine.
Let's do that for you.
Check करो, कमल जेसवानी check करो.
हाँ, मैं करके बताती हूँ.
That is something we can do for each other also.
Yes,
Yeah,
we need to do it for each other.
Yeah, let's do that.
और अपने family members के mobile में देखो तो भी चलेगा. You check with your daughter's mobile and you will get a different answer.
Right.
Unless she is stalking you.
अच्छा, तो हम चलते हैं.
Okay, wait. We have a few minutes. Wait. Last. So first thing first. Priya and Kamal, we have not been able to have you introduce your roles for this year. So Priya is chairperson of workshops this year. Priya, can you please just talk for a couple of seconds? Kamal,
Aditi सुनो ना, मेरा वो दूसरा ट्रेनिंग चालू हो चुका है 8 o'clock को.
Okay.
Flower therapy, yeah.
Yes.
और सबको पता है कमल जेसवानी कौन है.
He's our social media expert for this year.
अब बस उतना काफी है.
हाँ, नहीं काफी है. कमल जेसवानी बोल रहे हैं.
And afterwards, we are going to wish Priya and We're going to wish Priya and Usha ji happy birthday for this year.
Happy birthday, Usha ji and Priya ji. Thank you. Bye.
Shall we sing before you go? Kamal, everybody unmute yourselves and sing for them.
Okay. Happy birthday
Go. Happy birthday,
dear Priya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Priya and Usha.
Usha ji.
Happy
birthday to you.
Yay.
May God bless you. We pray.
Thank you so much. Dear
It is
Venus
also
members.
Margaret's birthday. So happy birthday, Margaret. And we have really missed you. If you're going to watch this recording, we have really missed you today. Stay safe. And the next meeting, we will celebrate your birthday as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Aditi, please record this meeting. Please continue the recording. I would like to see it after I'm done with my training.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Yes, Priya, we'd like to hear a few words from
Over to me.
Over to you.
Okay, so see, I have not logged in from my laptop. Why? Because I have some connectivity issues with that. My laptop is running like really slow. So very quickly, I'd like to thank everybody for whatever this position that I've got. Thank you so much for trusting. And the first person that in fact, I asked many people, but the one who really took up this role, okay, that is the speaker, the next speaker, because everybody thought that there will be more impact in a physical meeting, because what happens in an online meeting, online corporate workshop or online workshop is that the kinesthetic element is absolutely not there. So it is not rendered as impactful as a physical meeting would be. However, Jane gave me the options of both. She says, if this happens, then I'm going to do Live Sutra. If this doesn't happen, then I'm going to do something else, Priya. You see, you can take the decision based on however things are. So I really thank Jane to be such a sport. She really is. And however, yeah, so we were supposed to have our this training on the 1st of May. That is tomorrow. Since we have this meeting today, so I thought that maybe certain members may not be available for any reason. सोचेंगे ना, अभी Venus Club का अभी meeting किया, अभी अगले दिन फिर से meeting, 2 बार meeting, and the next one, the corporate workshop, is at least for 3 hours. So we decided to not do it now. We decided to take some time. As it is, the corporate workshops are going to happen once in 3 months. Now I have a request to make. The reason why we are going to have these corporate workshops is because we want to uplift our own Venus members by firstly being an audience for them. So I did not want that abhi meeting attend ho gayi, fir agle din fir se aana padega, then how many members might not be able to make it. That's the reason we have postponed the meeting at a later date, and not even in the month of May. We said आराम से करेंगे June में, तब तक जिसकी भी turn आ जाती है vaccine ले लो. Sorry, just kidding. So in the month of June, that is the 12th of June, we will take up this workshop. This will be conducted by Jane. So she is going to tell us some magical mantra of the numbers, the law of the numbers. And everything got to do with something that she's already an expert in, financial management. So financial management with numbers is what she's going to extensively speak about. So really, really looking forward to that. I myself, I have attended Jane's workshops, both virtually as well as in the physical presence also. And they add a lot of value. I would say every single sentence that she says has something. And after quite some time, I have a lot of aha moments. I'm like, okay, right. Okay, now I understand why I did it. So this workshop also is going to be extremely resourceful for all of us. Is going to add a lot of value. I request all Venus members. See, we want others also to be there. But the most essential thing is, as a family, we should show support to our own Venus members. Today it's Jane, tomorrow it could be your turn. You never know. I will just send you those pings, let me know when is a good time to talk, and we'll talk. And then I will book your slot for the next quarter, quarter after this. And maybe, see, everybody would like to have certain audience members, who very encouraging audience members. Venus Club be a place where there would be a very, very high trust in members. Ki chalo aur kuch ho na ho, I know that my Venus members are going to be there. Keeping that in mind, we just wanted this scheduler to be a little well spaced out. So 12th of June is the date, and we will send the communication to the group soon. So thank you, Manish. You said that, Priya, the communication, if it happens like this in the Venus Club meeting, I said, let me do it here first. and then I can always send communication to you on the group. So looking forward to Jane's workshop, and I would want everyone on the 12th of June, please mark your calendars, be there from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you so much. Over to you, Captain. Thank you.
Thank you, Priya. Thank you so much. And thank you for everybody, all of you who are here, our panelists and our audience. Shrikantji, Ushaji, Johnson, Pari, Devki, Anu. Thank you so much for being here. Your presence here has really given me such a boost and has really made this event successful.
We all enjoyed the session with Jane Meher, right? So let's make our version 1.
Yes. Version 1 is better than version none. Absolutely. So that is the message even I'm going to take from here. So thank you so much, and see you next month on the meeting. And I will post the links, and I will post the information, everything on the group. Even the calendar, I will put it on the group. And again, as usual, if you have any points, any suggestions, please get back to me. Thank you so much. Good night, and stay home.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you,
you.
everyone.
Good night,
Good
guys. Good night. Great catching up with you.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye, bye, bye.
Good night. Bye.
Bye, Devki. Bye, Anu.
Bye.
Bye, Shrikantji, Usha.